This is Hyderabad, specially known as the City of Breeze.
I'm riding with you, baby. I know it's been hard lately. It's not meant to be easy. It's not meant to be. But I swear that I'm not leaving. What you need is a reason. It's not meant to be easy. Then I did. Yeah.
Hyderabad is the second largest city of Sindh and the eighth largest city of Pakistan.
I swear I tried to, I can't let you go. I swear I tried to, you know I tried to.
Hyderabad, Sindh, is a city where the past and present converge in a vibrant blend of history, culture and tradition. Founded in 1768, this ancient city along the Indus River has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, from the Kalhora dynasty to the British Raj, leaving behind a rich tapestry of architectural marvels, bustling bazaars, and timeless Sufi shrines. Known for its iconic Shahi Bazaar, one of Asia's longest markets, and the towering Pakka Qila fort, Hyderabad is not just a city of stone and mortar, but a living testament to the resilience and spirit of Sindh. With its deeply rooted Sufi traditions, intellectual legacy, and thriving craftsmanship, Hyderabad remains a jewel of Pakistan's cultural landscape, drawing visitors and historians alike to explore its hidden treasures. Once known as Nerun Kot, Hyderabad is home to nearly 2 million people, blending tradition with modernity in every corner. Hyderabad is renowned for its traditional glass bangle industry, vibrant Sindhi culture, ajrak and Sindhi topi, and the famous pala fish from the Indus River. It is also a hub for textile production and local handicrafts. The city's markets, such as Shahi Bazaar, are well known for handicrafts and traditional goods. Hyderabad's early history dates back to a small fishing village on the river Indus, known as Nerun Kot, named after its local Sindhi ruler, Nerun. Later, Hyderabad was founded in 1768 by Kalhora ruler Mian Ghulam Shah Kalhoro on the ruins of Nerun Kot, and the city was made capital of Sindh. Until the British victory over the Talpur Mirs at the Battle of Miani in 1843, Hyderabad served as the capital of Sindh, a title then handed to Karachi. Hyderabad is a city where the echoes of history meet the pulse of contemporary life, offering a unique blend of cultural richness, artistic traditions, and a vibrant community spirit that defines its identity in Pakistan.